Travessa dos Bombeiros,消防队巷. Checking out Macau, walking through Macau. Oh, Travessa dos Bombeiros, going up. Travessa dos Bombeiros. Bom, bom, bom. Travessa dos Bombeiros. Bom, bom, bom. Travessa dos Bombeiros. Walking downtown. Travessa dos Bombeiros. Travessa dos Bombeiros.
We're going to be cruising up this street right here, Bombero Street. We got kind of a cool looking apartment house right there, and this is the old fire station right here, and that's called Bomberos Lane. And I think some people are curious about the food in Macau. We'll just kind of show you. They got omni rice. This is Japanese style right here, as you can see up there. Cravings. But anyways, ooh, that looks really good. Beefsteak looks really good. Macanese. I think that one's called Cravings. I might try to go there sometime. But we're gonna be walking down this street right here, so that one is kind of interesting. And we're gonna check out this one, and then also this one. Oh, okay, good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should.
And the summer has to die for.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So they're really, really friendly. Cravings. I'll definitely have to go there. So we put this up on the map so you know exactly where we are. And it's right across from Bomberos. That looks really good. I asked them kind of a funny question. I asked them, is it new there? But actually I can tell they look very Macanese. So it's definitely been there for a while. But yeah, Cravings. So if you do come, I'm gonna definitely go there and eat myself. I guess I don't really come over this area that much. So we're gonna check out this particular street. Before we do, we'll just come over and check this one out real quick. Kind of an amazing architectural building right in here. Okay. And that's Cravings. I should have captured that all on camera. They're really, really friendly. Some nice people in there. They were telling me that there's sangria and stuff. And then the food too, the beefsteak, that looked really amazing. So this is Bomberos. Bomberos is like a fire station. And I think not too far away, the Kyungwoo Hospital. I think it might even be part of that right there, that building. Anyways, we are going to walk up our street to try to capture the yellow. Got some kind of cool looking architecture right there. Okay, so let's go up. I wish I didn't just eat, because I would love to go to Cravings and eat there. But yeah, that beefsteak looks really amazing. It's like kind of a fusion Macanese. The beefsteak is kind of Portuguese. The guy looked very Macanese. You're not sure what I mean by that. Macanese has different meanings. So this is, I think they practice the fire station stuff, so you can see like 10 meters, 20 meters. And the museum is inside there as well. But what I mean by that is, by Macanese, is there's Macanese meaning people that live in Macau. Your Asian restaurant. Looks like it's closed. Pretty tasty as well. I think they maybe changed, but they got some really tasty food. Rendang. Sorry, we're closed. Mine's the education. But by what I mean by Macanese is you can be somebody that lives in Macau, would be, you know, some like kind of Macanese. But the traditional meaning is people that are basically mixed. Portuguese with could be from Goa, could be from Malaysia, anywhere like that. There's Cravings Hospital right there. I'm also want to look at this art right here as well. So that's kind of cool artwork. Let's see. Move out of the way. So yeah, so that can be a different mix of different people from the Portuguese history before they came to Macau. They were in Goa, they were in Africa, Goa, Malaysia, Japan, Nagasaki, Japan. Okay, so we're basically showing you what this particular street looks like. Here's a little Filhas de Maria. It's like a girls' school. Or no, Filhas. Yeah, the daughters of. Okay. And then we'll just keep on going up here, and then the end of our street would be up at the top here. But you're kind of giving a little idea. There's a piano school right there. Play Macau. Bombeiros. Okay. So that's the end of our street. I do kind of want to show you that over there too. So we're on a different street altogether. You can see how the hills go down, so it goes all the way down north. So we're kind of up on a hill right now. I'm going to try to, that's our target street right there. So that's Bombeiros Lane. The yellow building was Bombeiros. Bombeiros is Portuguese for like fire house. Fire station. There's that particular view like that. Tons of apartments. And I also want to go just into this space right here. So right over to the right is actually cemetery. I believe it's St. Michael's Catholic cemetery. So we're on the back side of it. And we're gonna end our video, but it's kind of cool that it's there. Should I keep exploring? Anyways, Bombeiros was behind me, and I think I'm just gonna go a little bit further because it's kind of interesting to be in this space in here. And we'll just go up to the corner here. Man, I really want to go to that restaurant. I just said kimchi. Okay, so this is the end of the street. And then it would explore into more in that way as well. Around the backside of the cemetery. And I guess this is a good spot to end the video. Alright guys.